Hey there! You want to turn your favorite song into a ringtone for your iPhone? Here's a quick and easy way to do it using iTunes. Let's go! First, you will need iTunes on your computer, and then 2, you will need that favorite song of yours on the computer as well. Now, drag your favorite song into your iTunes library. After you drag your favorite song into your iTunes music library, right click on that same song and then you select song info from the menu. Now go to options tab, set the start and stop time for your ringtone. Make sure it's 30 seconds or less. Click OK when done. You can increase the volume of how you want your ringtone to play on your phone. You can also adjust the bass of it and then choose other options from there as well. The next step is you have to convert the song to AAC version. The next thing you're supposed to do is to click on the file tab. You will see convert in there. You have create AAC version, and now you hear a beep sound from the iTunes. Now the next step is you drag the converted song to the desktop. You drag the converted song to the desktop. Now the reason why we are dragging it to a desktop, we want to rename the file. We are not renaming the song, but we are rather renaming the file extension, like the .mp3, .mp4. Over here we have .m4a. We are going to change the a at the end and then replace it with r. So we are changing the a at the end of the m4a to r. Now the next one is add the ringtone to your iPhone. Now you connect your iPhone to your computer. Now drag the M4R file into the tone section in iTunes. Then sync your iPhone. Now go to your iPhone, click on settings, scroll down to sound and haptics. Now go to ringtone, then you will find your favorite song as a ringtone in there.
Slow down, slow down, promise.